It's March 1941. Repeated incursions in Norway must be organized in order to harass the occupation army and force Hitler to send troops to the zone, diverting them from the Mediterranean scenario. These incursions must meet minimum material means and maximum results.
Officer, you are going to approach the area from the north and demolish the dam with explosives placed in the base. You'll have to steal some powerful charges from inside the transformer station. Remember, only your sapper can handle them. The perimeter of the station is electrified, but the fence circuit can be turned off with this control switch. The spy in your unit is able to impersonate any German commander. Just get him a German uniform and enemy soldiers will do nothing but salute him all the way. After your task is completed, a truck will come to pick you up north from your position. This is not an easy mission, officer. Only a perfect coordination of your men will ensure success. Be sure everyone knows his place. Thank you. That is all.
Welcome back to my playthrough of Commandos Behind Enemy Lines. This is the third mission. You can see now we've got the spy on board. So you can see there he's got a lethal injection, which is handy. You just go up behind guys and it kills them immediately. He can also take people's uniforms and distract guards, which is handy if you want to then sneak your other guys past them. But in order for him to be able to do that, we have to get him a uniform first.
Okay. Consider it done. That's easy. Coming. Just leave it to me.
So remember in the last video I said about the footprints.
Coming over.
When those guys turn around, they will see the Green Berets' footprints through the snow there. Funny that he leaves footprints like that even though he's crawling. Although by the time those guys turn around, those footprints should be gone. No driver in this mission, unfortunately. There's a little boat there. Normally the Marine has a boat with him, but we have to steal that one instead. The guards have been kind enough to inflate it for us. The easiest way to get in there is through that fence, to cut a hole through the fence with a sapper. He's got like a fence clippers, if that's what they're called. First of all, we have to turn off the electricity. The easiest way to do that will probably be with the spy, because he'll be able to just walk in undetected. In order to get the spy into the base, we're going to have to get the Marine to get over to get the boat, to bring the boat back, to bring the spy back to that area, to get the uniform to the spy, then to bring the spy back to get him to walk in. In order to make that possible, we're going to have to get rid of some of these guards, so the Green Beret is going to take care of that for us. So he just about saw me, but he wasn't quick enough to raise him alarm.
Okay. Coming over. That's easy. Okay.
There is another YouTuber who has uploaded an entire playthrough of Commandos. He hasn't got any commentary, but the way he completes the levels are phenomenal. Like, he's got such a good method of doing it, and he comes up with some really good techniques. He gets through the levels a lot quicker. His name is Spek, or Speak, S-P-I-E-K. Before I did this playthrough, I started to watch some of his videos, and he was using tactics and things that I just had never even considered. So I had to just stop watching his videos, because I knew if I did, I would end up just copying exactly what he was doing. So I wanted this playthrough to be completely all my own techniques or tactics or whatever. One kind of major
Coming
difference
over.
between our gameplay styles is that I don't usually use guns at all
Just
in this
leave
game,
it to me.
except for the sniper.
A more
I'm coming.
civilized approach, in my opinion.
There's just something so satisfying about completing the level without anyone really raising any alarms or
That's
kind of knowing what
easy.
had happened.
Yes, sir.
So in Speak's playthrough or spec,
Right
there's quite a few times where he might shoot guns and things like that.
Over. Sir. Yes, sir.
But it doesn't take away from how creative he is. Right, we may as well get all three of these guys over there now.
Immediately, sir. Coming, sir. Understood, sir. Yes, sir. Righto, sir.
May as well just leg it.
Immediately, sir.
I understand.
Coming right over, sir. Okay, sir.
I agree. Fine.
So the next step will be to take the Marine, get him to go into the
Yes,
water,
sir.
and swim down to the other side. Get that boat
leave it
and bring
to
it
me.
back. That'll be a little
I
bit
see.
tricky because the Marine can't hide dead bodies. So anyone he kills, their body's just going to lie there in place.
Righto, sir. Coming, sir. Understood, sir.
So I'm
Coming,
just going to
sir.
take out this guy and get the boat.
Righto, sir.
The Marine has a
Understood,
harpoon
sir.
gun as well.
Immediately, sir.
It's pretty handy. It's got a very short range, but
Yes, sir.
it can be quite useful when a guy is coming around a corner. And you don't want to get spotted.
Ah!
So we didn't get the timing just right there.
Coming, sir. Coming
So
right
I'm just going to
over,
retreat in here.
sir.
So let's get rid of this guy.
Coming, sir. Immediately, sir. Righto, sir. Yes, sir. Coming right over, sir.
May as well clean up a few guys here while we're at it. I like to use the other commandos when possible. Usually the Green Beret gets all the action.
Understood, sir. Righto, sir. Coming right over, sir. Yes.
Even though the Marine
sir.
has a knife, his inability to carry
Immediately,
bodies
sir.
really hinders his usefulness. Which is
Coming,
why you'll
sir.
see me using the Green Beret and the Spy
Righto,
most of the
sir.
time.
Yes, sir. Coming, sir. Understood, sir. Coming right over, sir. Coming, sir.
I'm ready. Whatever you say, officer.
Right,
Consider
so let's
it done.
get the Spy
I'm
over to
coming.
the other side and we'll get his
Just
little
leave
uniform.
it to me.
May as well take the Green
Coming,
Beret with
sir.
us for the crack.
Coming right over, sir.
I'm ready.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Consider it done. That's easy.
So the boat wasn't close enough to the water
Yes,
there for them to
sir.
be able to go.
Understood, sir. Immediately, sir.
That should do it.
Okay, coming over.
Fine.
Yes, sir. Righto, sir. Immediately, sir. Understood, sir. Coming, sir. Righto, sir. Yes, sir. Coming, sir.
I'm ready. Fine. Whatever you say, officer. I understand.
Immediately, sir. Righto, sir. Coming right over, sir. Coming, sir. Yes, sir. Coming right over, sir.
I'm ready. Fine. I agree.
Yes, sir. Coming, sir.
I'm ready.
Okay, so we've
Whatever
got the
you say,
spy's uniform.
officer.
We're good to go now.
Understood, sir.
This is going to make the
Coming
levels so much
right
easier.
over, sir.
Basically what the spy does is he goes up and talks to a guy and distracts him and makes him not look in whatever direction you don't want him to look in.
I'm ready.
I'm just noticing now the water,
Yes,
the
sir.
motion and the way it moves.
I'm ready.
Kind of swirling around. It's kind of trippy to look at. It's almost
Consider it
headache
done.
inducing now that I notice it.
Yes,
The noise of
sir.
that fence is
Coming,
headache
sir.
inducing. Let me get that shut off. So that little hat symbol there is the distraction. And in order to take that guard out there at the bottom, I'm going to have to distract the other guard so he doesn't see the dead body.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So the Marine actually took a bit of damage there. He hit the
Sir.
fence,
Yes.
but he survived. He'll be okay.
Yes, sir. I'll be right over. Affirmative, sir. Fine, sir. Understood, sir.
So we don't need to worry about that other
Coming,
guard seeing
sir.
the dead body because the Marine took the other guy out at the very bottom of the map.
Coming right over.
It's
Sir.
far enough away for him not to see him.
Yes, sir.
I understand. Fine.
Right, so there's the electricity turned off now.
Yes,
We can cut a
sir.
hole in the fence with the sapper.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Whatever you say, officer.
He is going to be close to seeing them. Better move that boat.
Yes, sir. Coming right over, sir.
And as you can see, the dead body is just out of reach there.
Sir.
Barely.
Coming, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Yes, sir. Guten Tag. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
The spy is distracting
there
that
in a
guard
moment.
again just so we can get in here.
Just leave it to me.
Lovely.
Okay, sir.
Hole in the fence. Get the boys in. And we'll clean up shop.
Mm-hmm. Coming. That's easy. Consider it done. Coming over.
So the mission is to blow up that dam. And in order to do so, we need to get the explosives. Which are just sitting there beside that little building.
I'm coming. Coming.
So I'm just going to
Okay.
kill some of the guards around here. Hide their bodies. Get the explosives. Get out and destroy the dam. I
Coming.
really wish there were more games like Commandos. It's a very distinctive type of game.
Consider it done. Coming over.
There are 3 Commandos games like this.
Just
There's a
leave it
4th
to
one that's
me.
like a first
I'm
person shooter.
coming.
There's another game called Desperados, which is very similar to this.
Coming. Yes, sir.
It came out in and around the same
I'll be there in
time.
a moment.
Came out after Commandos though. And more recently a game called Shadow Tactics Blades of the Shogun came out.
Fine, sir.
Came out in 2016. It looks quite similar to this. It actually looks really
I'll be
cool.
there
I
in
do
a
plan on playing that at some stage.
Fine, sir.
I have it on my wish
I'll
list
be
in
right
Steam.
over.
It's always going on sale. It's usually around
Understood, sir.
€15, €20, something
Fine,
like that.
sir.
It's gotten good
Affirmative,
reviews as
sir.
well, so I'm definitely
be
going to
right
check that
over.
out at some stage.
I'm ready.
But I would love if
Fine.
they made another Commandos game.
Understood, sir.
There is a HD remaster of Commandos 2. I haven't played Commandos 2
I'll
in a
be
long
right
time.
over.
I'm going to play it again and then play the remaster.
Okay, sir.
But the
Fine,
remaster is
sir.
looking pretty cool. At the time of this recording, it's not actually out yet.
Affirmative, sir. Consider it
Strange
done.
that they didn't remaster number
I'm
1 though.
coming.
Although I haven't played number 2 in a while, I do remember thinking that 1 was considerably better.
Okay.
Maybe they recognised that
Yes,
Commandos
sir.
1 was so good it
I'll
didn't
be
need a
there in a
remaster.
moment. Come on over. Yes, sir. I'll be right over.
Snap, that guy just got hit with the bear trap.
Come on over. Just leave it to me. Okay, that's easy. Come on over. Consider it done. Okay. Halt! Just leave it to me. I'm coming.
Right, we can get the explosives
I'll
now.
be there in a moment.
We could just go for the dam,
That's easy.
but I like to kind of just clean up around
Understood,
here.
sir.
By that I mean killing as many guards as possible. This is kind of overkill, hiding all these bodies down here. I'm just very particular. I like to keep things neat and tidy when possible.
That's easy. Come on over.
I'm ready. I see. Whatever you say, officer. I agree.
This is
Whatever
actually
you say,
quite a tricky bit
officer.
here. I had to
Fine.
reload countless times to get all 4 of these guards out
Just leave it to
without
me.
somebody noticing someone else getting killed. There's also a patrolling group outside of 3 guys,
That's easy.
so they
I'm
screwed things
coming.
up for me quite a bit as well.
I'm ready.
That's easy. I'm coming. Just leave it to me. Coming. Consider it done. Okay. Coming. Coming over.
Right, so taking out these last 2 guards isn't too difficult now. Just have to wait for that patrolling group
Just leave it
to
to
get out of the
me.
way.
I'll be right over.
Just using the sapper to cut a hole in the fence there, just to make it a little bit easier for the Green Beret to sneak
I'm
up on that
coming.
guy.
Yes, sir. I'll be right over. That's easy. Okay.
There's actually 5 guards there. I thought there was only 3.
Consider it done.
So as soon as they turn around, just get rid of this guy.
Come on over. I'm coming.
And him.
That's easy. Just leave it to me. Fine. Coming. That's easy.
Oh, pick up the bodies, lads.
I'm ready. I see. Whatever you say, officer.
Come on over.
Whatever you say, officer.
Got a nice little stack of bodies going there.
I agree. Fine.
Right, so now I want to get rid of that gunner. I'm going to use the spy to distract these guys, and the Green Beret can take them out then.
Fine.
Might seem kind of obvious, but Guten Tag means good day in German.
Okay. Just leave it to me. Coming. Okay. Coming. Yes, sir. Coming right over.
So there's a little pillbox there, which is overlooking the dam.
Yes, sir.
In order to get up to the dam,
Understood, sir.
we're going to need to destroy that
I'll be there in a
pillbox.
moment.
The sapper, when he picked up those bombs, there were 2 of them. One for the pillbox and one for the dam. So we'll take out the pillbox first, then get the dam. When we do destroy that pillbox,
Fine, sir.
patrolling guards are going to come out of those buildings with the swastikas on them. We want to have everyone good to go.
I'll be there in a moment. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Coming, sir. That's easy. Immediately, sir. Come on over. Right over. Understood, sir. I'll be there in a
Just
moment.
putting that bear trap there because I know
Affirmative,
when
sir.
that thing explodes, those
Fine.
patrolling guards are going to come running down. And although I won't need to kill any of those guards, it's just kind of fun.
Yes, sir. Coming right out.
Boom.
Sir. Coming, sir. Coming right over. Sir.
I'm ready.
So here they come. Completely oblivious about what's going to happen.
Whatever you say, officer.
Oh. Ein Verletzter means an injury or an injured person or something like that.
Fine.
I don't actually know if these guys will be able to see me up against the dam, but
Yes,
best to
sir.
just distract them anyway.
Yes, sir.
I'll approach the dam, sapper will hop out,
Right
plant the
out.
bomb,
Sir.
get back into the boat,
Yes, sir.
and then we'll get away before it blows up. Wouldn't fancy approaching a real dam like that
Understood,
and
sir.
just
I'll be there
going
in a
through the
moment.
water and hopping out on the other side.
Sir.
Imagine it'd be a bit
Coming,
more difficult.
sir. Right out, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Immediately, sir.
So there's our truck.
Point coming.
Hop in, get the spy as well,
Okay, fine, sir.
get everyone on board, and drive away.
I see.
So that was another straightforward enough mission. Does get more difficult though.
Fine.
Those three guards must have been like, who the hell is that driving away? Thanks for watching, guys. Join me in the next level, Restore Pride, which is mission number 4.